Hi, welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. So, what we're making today is pasta. Sausage with portobello mushroom, sauteed in some onions and fresh herbs like tarragon and basil. So it's gonna be awesome. Something flavorful, tasty, and nice. And we're gonna use penne pasta today. Okay, let's start. So, let's start by cutting our ingredients. We have some Hungarian pork sausage, that's peppercorn. So we're gonna use these to saute today. So it's simple. We just simply dice them up ahead of time. Great, now the sausages are cut. We can move to our mushrooms. Look at these. These are big and nice. These portobello mushrooms are tasty. It's one of my favorite. So we just simply cut these into strips because when we cook them, they will reduce, so it's fine. We'll leave them in a good size. Great, now the mushrooms are cut. We have some onions. We will also cut into strips. So we're gonna use 2 small onions today. Great, the onions are cut. Now we have 1 tomato to add some tanginess to this whole dish. It's okay if they're not perfect. Now they're all cut. Now we return everything back to our plate. Okay, great. Now our vegetables are cut. We have a few garlic cloves right here. So we're gonna cut them up in size and also add these into our sauce. Just slice them up into smaller slices. Now our garlic is chopped, and let's go through our other ingredients. We have some salt here. We have some Italian mix, some fresh basil, just a little, and some tarragon. Now this is perfect when it's almost complete with the sauce. Then we add these to fuse the flavor together. Now we also have some butter and some heavy cream. So now let's move to cooking and see how this is done. Great, now here we're ready. Already heat up a skillet. We will add some olive oil to this and start putting all our ingredients to saute. I also have a second pot that is warming right now to cook our pasta. So let's put some olive oil in this. We can add our ingredients to this. We add all our onions, mushrooms, and sausage. We'll leave the tomato for later. We'll let this saute a little bit, and then we'll add our butter and cook this some more. Then we'll add our seasoning. The sausage, everything has browned nicely. Now it's time to deglaze. We have some red wine, a cup and a half. Now's the time when we can add our butter also. And we work the butter into this. We can also add our tomato also. And then we season it with our salt and Italian mix seasoning. We also add some fresh grounded black pepper to this. We'll put this aside and let it simmer and cover it for about 5-10 minutes. And then we'll come back and add our cream to this. In the meantime, let's cook our pasta. Then let's add penne. So what I have here is wheat penne, so it's healthier. So we got the whole bag in, and we stir it around and let it cook for about 10 minutes until it's just right. Then we can put everything together and give it a try. Now you can see our sauce has reduced slightly. Now it's time to add our cream to this mixture and give it some more richness and flavor. We add about 1 cup of cream to this. Ooh, look at this. Look at this color. It is so beautiful and rich. We add a touch of sugar to this to balance our red wine. Now we can turn off the heat and cover this and wait for our pasta. Then we pour everything together and enjoy. Okay, great. Now that we're back, everything is all cooked, and let's see how everything turned out. Look at this beautiful sauce. Now we have our penne ready. Now we simply pour our penne, our sauce into this pasta. Great, our sauce is in. Now we have our tarragon. It's time to chop these up and add it to our dish. Ooh, great. The aroma of this is just amazing. Mix everything together and give this a try. Ooh. Just the right amount of sauce with this penne. Let's add some black pepper to this. And let's get ourselves a plate to give this a try. Now here's our plate. Let's take some of this. Ooh, get the sausage and the mushrooms. Now this looks beautiful. The red wine reduced with some cream in it. Now let's give this a try. Some mushrooms. The mushroom has absorbed the flavor of the wine and ingredients. This is just amazing. Let's try the sausage now. The penne is tender and nice, just right. And the sausage is not overcooked. Beautiful. And the fresh aroma from the tarragon and basil just make this dish so much more refreshing. I cannot stop eating this. Very good. Okay, if you like what you see today, remember to subscribe, hit the Amazing Kitchen button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you again. Bye now.